Hey guys, I'm in East Granby, Connecticut today at Angela and Randy's house. I just wanted to show you our Premier Edge. It's the best looking solar in the neighborhood for Randy and Angela by far. But yeah, if you could take a look behind me here. I'll even see if I could zoom in. Well, I can't zoom in, but you could see the edge, right? And it just looks beautiful with these hip roofs that are very complicated. If we put the edging completely around it, it makes it look, you know, clean and flush to the roof, and it really stands out. It's a big difference. So if you want the best looking solar in your neighborhood, if you have any questions on how to go solar, you know, summer's coming up, the rate increase is coming up, please give me a call. I'd love to help you. Our number is 860-500-0263. Other than that, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.